In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a site audit on Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch an audit, where to find the key results, and how to interpret what matters most for improving your site's performance. First, log into your Semrush account. On the left-hand panel, hover over the SEO section with the search icon and choose Site Audit. When the Site Audit page opens, you'll see a field where you can enter a domain. Type in the domain you want to review. If you're auditing an entire website, use the root domain. If you only care about a subdomain, enter that specifically. Make sure you have permission to analyze the site. Then click Start SEO Audit to begin. You'll be taken to your SEO project list where the new audit appears. The crawl may take a while, especially for larger sites, so give it time to complete. You can keep working in another tab while it runs. Once the status shows it's finished, click the project to open the results. You'll land on the overview, which summarizes your site's technical health. Here you'll see the overall site health score, the number of crawled pages, and AI search health, along with how many pages are blocked from AI search. You'll also see counts of errors and warnings, plus specific highlights like missing meta descriptions, a low text to HTML ratio, long title elements, content not optimized, links with no anchor text, and thematic reports. Think of this page as your health dashboard. The site health score gives you a quick pulse, while the individual issues show where to focus first. At the top, you can switch between several views for deeper analysis. Issues groups all detected problems by severity, helping you prioritize what will make the biggest impact. Crawled pages lets you open individual URLs to see exactly what was found on each page. Statistics aggregates data such as status codes, markup usage, and internal linking patterns. Compare crawl shows how things have changed across different audit runs, so you can track progress over time. Progress visualizes your improvements, and JS impact helps you understand how JavaScript affects crawlability and rendering. Use these insights to identify and resolve technical problems like broken links, slow loading pages, and crawl errors that can hold back your rankings. Addressing them improves SEO performance, speeds up your site, and helps search engines better understand and index your content. Start with high severity errors, then move to warnings, and use the detailed page level data to confirm fixes. That's how to run a site audit on Semrush and turn the results into meaningful improvements.